Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the marginal profit. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to find the marginal profit, we need to find about the profit function in here. That should be about revenue function minus cost function. So revenue function, that is about this one, and the cost function, that is about this one. So if we simplify, we have like this. So the next one, that is about marginal profit. So here is about marginal profit. So we need to do first derivative of b. So this one we have to ask. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. So we simplify like this. Because I just applied about the product rules of the derivative and the power rules of the derivative. So that's why we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.